This is Teacher Rose, and this time I want you to learn about the letter B. Okay, and this lesson is for my grade 2 pupils in Thammislam Elementary School. Okay, do you remember your last lesson? Yes, it was C sound. Who can tell Teacher Rose the sound of the letter C? Can you say the sound, please? K. One more time. You're right. Okay, this is our letter C. The sound of the letter C is K. One more time. K. Very good. Okay, and then I want to show the different things that start with the letter C. Okay, again, tell me what is it? K, k, car. And then k, k, crab, k, k, coral, catter, k, 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 cow, k, k, camel, k, k, cup, k, cat. Okay, and those are the things that start with letter C. Again, what is the sound of the letter C? K. Can you say it again? K. Very good. Our new lesson is about the letter B. The sound of the letter B is, put your lips together, B. Very good. This is our letter B, and then the sound of the letter B is, put your lips together, B. Very good. One more time. B. Very good. Again, please. B. Okay, this is the letter B. Okay, our letter B has an uppercase and the lowercase, okay? Sometimes we can call the uppercase like capital letter, and then our lowercase we call small letter, okay? This is our B. The sound of the letter B is, put your lips together, B. One more time, B. Okay, now this time I want you to do by yourself 3 times. One more time. Great, very good. Okay, and then I want you to learn the different things that start with the letter B sound. Okay, the first one. Look at, ta-da! We have this. These are blocks. Again, blocks. Balls. Bear. Bananas. Bulb. Bulb. Bird. Bird. Boat. Boat. Okay, what are these? Blocks. One more time. Blocks. Boat. Boat. Very good. Bird. Bird. Balls. Balls. Bear. Bear. Bananas. Bananas. Bulb. Bulb. And those are our things of the letter B. Okay, now this time I want to sing a song. First, you're going to listen to Teacher Rose first, and then after that, we will sing together. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Belly bear is bouncing. Belly bear is bouncing. Is the sound of B.
One more time. Let's make it faster. 1, 2, 3.
Belly bouncing, oh, Billy Bear is bouncing, is the sound of the
Very good. Now I want you to point which thing that start with the b sound. I have car, boat. Which one is b? Can you point? Is this b? Does it start with a b sound? How about this one? Car, boat. Again, please. Today, this one is b. This one is b. Very good. One more time. These are corals and block. Which one is b sound? Can you point, please? Is this b sound? Ta-da! Is this b sound? Yes. B. Block. Very good. Cup. And then I have b. Bird. Which one is b sound? Does it start b sound? Is this b sound? Or is this b sound? Yes, it starts with b sound. This is b, bird. You're right, b, bird. Very good. This is crab. This one, b, bowl. Which one starts with a b sound? This one? How about this one? Can you point, please? Yes. This time, I want to show you letters and please identify the b sound. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, look at and b. Which one is b? Can you point, please? Ta-da! Very good. Which one is b? Very good. This one. One more time. How about which one is b? This one. Okay, grade 2 pupils. I have many things on the board and let's learn the different names. Okay, let's identify which one that starts with a b sound. Are you ready? Yes. This one is b, bed. And then b, bed. And then the next picture is cat. Cat. Is that b sound? And then I'm going to put X under the picture. And the next one is bag. Bag. Is that b? Yes. B sound. And then the next one is cactus. Cactus. Is it b sound? No. Then X. And this one is book. Book. Is that b sound? Yes. Okay, and this one is crayons. Crayons. Does it start with a b sound? No. Then X. And then I have balloon. Balloon. Is that b sound? Yes. Then write b. And this one is clown. Clown. Is that b sound? No. And then X. Okay, look at pictures start with the book sound and the other not. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take out the pictures that does not start with the book sound, okay? So this one is bye-bye. And this one is bye-bye. And then this one too. Okay, let's count the pictures that start with the book sound. Can you help me count, please? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And say the names again. Book, bed. Book, bag. Book, book. Book, balloon. Can you say for yourself? Bed. Bag. Very good. Say by yourself. Book. Very good. And then balloon. Yeah, you did it. I want you to learn how to write the B sound. Okay. So look at here. I have an example in here. This one is the uppercase, and this one is the lowercase b. Okay. So let's start how to write the capital B or the uppercase. From the start, and then going down, okay? And then from the top, and then curve again, and that's our B, capital B or uppercase. I want you to observe there are 3 lines. This one is the straight line, and in the middle, broken lines, and then the bottom, straight line. Okay. When you write the uppercase, you start on the top and then going down and then on the top again and then curve, and that's your B, okay? And then when you write your lowercase, you start on the top again and down to the 3rd line and then from broken lines and then curve, and that's your lowercase b. Okay, let's try. From the top and going down, and then from broken lines and then go down and curve, and that's your B. One more time. From the top and going down, and then top again, and then curve, and that is your uppercase. And then from the top and then going down, and then from broken lines and then curve and down to the 3rd line, that's your lowercase. Okay, I have your worksheet. This is page number 9. Open your book at page number 9 and please write 10 book, 10 capital or the uppercase and 10 lowercase. Okay, the next thing that you do is to do your worksheet. I will give you a few minutes to do your work and please pause your video. Okay, are you finished writing? Because teacher Rose, ta-da, I'm done already. Okay, your next word is, I want you to count the B, the uppercase B, inside the balloon, and then you write on the top. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write number 7 inside the box. And then next is you're going to count the lowercase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And write number 8 inside the box. Okay, this is your worksheet number 9. Okay, your next activity is page number 10. Open your book at page number 10. And this is very easy. Look, it has 2 letters, the K and the B, the uppercase and then the lowercase. And then look at this. The letter that inside house is capital or uppercase. Please circle which one is matched with this. Circle this one, and circle this one, and this one. And this one is the lowercase, and then circle this one, and also this one, and the last one. And the same. This one is the uppercase B, so you have to circle which one match with this one, and this one, and this one. This one is the lowercase. Please circle which one match with this one, and this one. Okay, the next thing we do is to find the pictures that start with a k sound and circle with the blue color. Okay, so let's start from here. Cookies, and cactus, and cat. Okay, and then change your pencil in blue color, and then find the pictures that start with the b and then circle with the blue color, like balloon, baby, bear, bed, bus, and book. Okay, so that is your work. That's all your lesson for today. It's about b sound. I hope you got something from me and you learned a lot. Okay, thank you grade 2 pupils, and see you again next time. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ